All right, so let's talk about some of the weird hook things. Let's talk about useEffect. I actually gave a lot of talks about this, and I think you pretty much know what's going to happen here. You saw it at the beginning. This cat is totally vibing to Vercel's increasing valuation because basically when you do this with fetch data, you're paying either AWS or Vercel millions of dollars, right? Because you forgot the dependency array. And to be fair, in the original docs, that was missing unless you scrolled way at the bottom, and it's like, hey, by the way, there's a dependency array that you could add to control this sort of behavior. But of course, and I think you know where I'm going with this, you could do this, you have the cancellation, you add the dependency array, but this is going to execute twice on mount in strict mode. I gave lots of talks about this, but there's even a page now. You might not need an effect. And so there's a lot of great tips in here. Don't calculate state in effect, don't reset the state in effect, do effect logic in event handlers, and try to move things like fire and forget effects to event handlers too. Learn the difference between effect and effects with a capital E. It's really weird. React likes doing this thing where it capitalizes words and say, that means something different. So read the docs. I'm dead serious. Stop fetching and useEffect. That's something that all juniors do, so just don't do that. And do initialization outside basically the entire component. It really helps. And use sync external store. Honestly, this should be required reading if you're learning React. So let's move on.